Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add up a column in your Google Sheets file. So as you can see here, this is my file, and then if you want to add a new column to your file, you can just block the column. For example, I want to add a column in between table 3 here, the table 3 and the table 4. So I'm going to block this and then right click on the mouse and click insert one column right. So as you can see, a column has been added, and if you want to add more than one column, you can just block. For example, I want to add the three columns, just block the three columns before and then right click again and then click insert three columns to the right. Okay, so just like that, a column has been added into your Google Sheets file. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.